there we have it. This is the review for the Nokia 9 PureView, and I'm actually quite nervous because like I said in the unboxing, this phone gives me the feel of a bad girlfriend who is not behaving well, and because you love her so much you just want to go back to her. I have always said it on this channel, I'm a Nokia fan. I love the brand Nokia, but over the years they played with their mobile device division and things are not looking so great, but I think they're beginning to pick up steam back. So now the Nokia 9. When the Nokia 8 came out some years back, like almost 2 years ago, I wasn't really impressed. There was nothing to wow me about it. I got the device, used it for a while, and I let go of the device. I had to sell it. But this, I think I might keep this. It's already so interesting to me just from the unboxing alone, and for using it for some days, I can say it's one of the cleanest Android experience I've had. Phone calls have been great. The camera is awesome. I'll drop some sample pictures for you guys to see. The software update support has been good. Yeah, it was delayed in Nigeria for a while, so some things will be fixed, and I would say for now it's performing real well. It's not as slow as other reviewers have said. So let me take it out from the case so we could have a closer look at this device. So as you could see from the front, we have a 6 inches QHD AMOLED screen with an in-screen fingerprint sensor which works pretty quick and is quite accurate. Also, you notice that we have bezels on top and bottom, but that will make room for us to see a phone without a notch. This phone doesn't come with a notch, and it's just brilliant. The design is brilliant. It's seamless. The screen is flat, which I always like to avoid accidental touches. The buttons are tactile. The frame is made from aluminium. The back is glass, so it's a glass front and back sandwich. And on the back, yes, a big fingerprint magnet, and that's why it came with this case. But you have 6 cameras on the back actually. 5 you could see physically. 1 is a time of flight camera. 3 of these cameras are monochrome sensors. 2 of them are RGB, which is your colored sensor. We have the Ozo recording sounds here. When you record videos with this thing, it's quite awesome. You also see a clip of that. The audio is very clear. The cameras are great. I haven't praised the camera this much in a while. Yeah, night shots are not so great because it doesn't have a dedicated night mode, but outside that, still photos on this phone are awesome. The charging speeds are great. We have a USB Type-C for charging. We have a speaker at the bottom. We have your microphone jack. Then we have our chamfered edges on the left side. Absolutely nothing on the left side. Then another glimpse I have with this phone is the fact that it doesn't come with a dedicated memory card slot. Now, for a phone that can shoot raw photos with 5 cameras on the back, means the photos are going to be really large. And if you're not going to have a dedicated memory card slot for expansion, then really it doesn't cut well for a photography device. But outside that, 128 gigs of internal memory coupled with 6 gig of RAM, I think that's a great combo. So it also has the Android One branding, and Android One, what does it tell us? Android One simply means a device that you don't necessarily have any customization whatsoever. I think the only thing proprietary to Nokia on default on this phone is the Nokia support app and the camera app. Every other thing is stock Android as you get it, and like I said earlier, the updates come quicker than none. If you could notice, as I've been talking about this device, everything I've had to say has been rushed, has been good. It's because of the love I have for this device, which I can't just help but emphasize. It's a great device, core quality great. What more can I say about this device? So for now, it's still quite expensive and it's a limited device. Not Nokia just made a particular set of quantity, and once that set is sold out, that is it for this device. For now, I don't know if I could even get a second copy right here in Nigeria, which I would try and do, but apparently almost everything that came to Nigeria has already been pre-ordered. So it's a device you can go to, unless I forget, it has a 20 megapixel front camera, so the selfies are great, but nothing compared to this beast we have at the back here. So keep watching, stay tuned. I don't know what more to say about this device. It's awesome. Thanks for watching. Keep watching. Stay tuned. Yo. Hello, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.